Hi everybody, Tia here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a little bit of my life. Hi everybody, Tia here. Hi, it's Tia here. Speak a truth that empowers us. Yay! In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a couple of things that I would tell my younger self. Before I get into the video, I just wanted to say that yes, I have been a little bit MIA from the channel recently. Life happened. I do intend to... A dog just ran up here. He's very stinky. I do intend to continue filming. Figure what better way to come back than to just sit down and talk to you guys. Basically what I'm going to be talking about today is a couple of things that I would tell my younger self if I could. Now I don't know necessarily that I would listen to these things when I was younger if I tried to tell myself them. Things that I've learned over time. May not have believed them or understood them if I tried to tell my younger self, but they have grown to be very important to me at present day, and I would at least try and tell my younger self these things. The reason that I thought of making this video is because recently there's been a couple of instances where I found myself either making a mistake or getting frustrated with myself. And one thing that kind of helps when I'm in that situation or feeling very critical of myself is taking a minute and just imagining myself as like a young version of me. And I wouldn't call young Tia like stupid or dumb for making a mistake. Looking at things from that perspective, like we're all just grown-up kids and we sometimes mess things up. That just provides me with a sense of like innocence and a sense of compassion that sometimes brings me back and helps me to be more kind to myself. Pulled together a couple of things that if I could go back and talk to myself when I was a little kid, some of the things I would tell myself. Let's go ahead and jump into it. The things I would tell my younger self. It is okay to cry. It is okay to get upset sometimes. These things don't make you weak, and they don't make you any less of a person. They make you human. You look just as pretty with your hair up as you do with your hair down. I always thought growing up that I never looked pretty if I had my hair back away from my face. And this has led to many instances where most girls around me had their hair up in a ponytail or in an updo. I never thought I could pull it off. But you look just as pretty with your hair up as you do with your hair down. Sometimes things in life will happen and you won't understand why they are happening. And they won't seem fair. Maybe they aren't fair. But the more that you can trust in the process and look for anything good in every situation, the happier you will end up being, and the more good that you will see in every situation. Don't force what isn't meant to be. Yes, work hard, persevere, but if things aren't working, things aren't bringing you joy or love or passion, sometimes it's okay to walk away. You are completely whole all by yourself. You don't need any other person or thing to make you more whole as a person, because you are already whole. Don't treat others because of how they are or how they act. Treat them based on how you are. Eat when you're hungry, drink when you're thirsty, eat something healthy, eat something sweet, eat something unhealthy. Take care of yourself. Your relationship with your body and with yourself is one of the most, if not the most, important relationship you will ever have. Other people can give us ideas on how to love ourselves and how a relationship with ourselves should look, but you are the only one who really knows what the best thing for yourself is and how you can take care of yourself. So figure out what works for you. No relationship will ever make you happy without you already making the decision to be happy, whether you're alone or with another person. It's not something that just happens when things are going good. It's easier to do it then, but you get to make the decision every day, continuously, day after day. Every part of your external body is just that, external. It doesn't determine how smart you are, how successful you are, how kind you are, how loving you are. Those things all come from someplace much more important within. Never ever tear someone down. People already have things going on around them in their lives that you and I may never know about. So use an opportunity when you're around someone, even if it's someone you're not particularly fond of or you have different viewpoints. Use that opportunity to be kind to them and to bring joy to the world, because I promise that the happier and the kinder that you are around others, that has a way of coming back right into your life. Mental health, which looks different for everybody, is just as important as physical health. For me, mental health looks like taking time for myself and saying no to people even though it might disappoint them. It could look very differently for you. Figure out what it does look like for you, and then make sure to prioritize accordingly. No product, no makeup, no outfit, and no physical enhancement will ever be as important as the words that you're telling yourself every day about the value that you hold. It will be very tempting to want to be what other people think that you should be and fulfill other people's expectations of you. I urge you, even if you don't always know who you are or what you want to do with your life, to not default into just doing what other people expect of you. Things usually don't turn out how you expect. Often they turn out better. I'm gonna pull up, I have them all written on my laptop here. Here we go. Well, let's see how it looks. The very first thing I would tell myself, alright, let's go ahead and jump into it. Oh jeez, I am low battery. We'll see if we can make this work. Make sure to get it in a good place.